Hi, I'm David and I'm an intern from Lightbridge International. And today I'm with your kid from the sponsoring program and I will be interviewing her in Khmer and then I will translate for you. Okay.ចឹងអូនឯងណែនាំខ្លួនបាន
ស្ដីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសាតាអាយុ9ឆ្នាំរៀនថ្នាក់ទី2ក
សាលារៀន
រៀននៅសាលាជីវិតថ្មី
Okay. So her name is Sata. She is 9 years old and she studies in grade 2 at New Life School. Okay. ចឹងមុខវិជ្ជាណាដែលអូនចូលចិត្តហើយមុខវិជ្ជាណាដែលអូនអត់សូវចូលចិត្ត
មុខវិជ្ជាដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអង់គ្លេស
ហើយអត់សូវចូលចិត្តមុខវិជ្ជា
អ
ណា
ត់សូវចូលចិត្តវិជ្ជាសិក្សាសង្គម
Okay. So her favorite subject is English and she doesn't like science. Okay. ចឹងពេលតនេះអូនចូលចិត្តធ្វើអីគេដែរ
ពេលតនេះចូលចិត្តលេងមួយប្អូនចូលចិត្តប្លែងគ្នាជាមួយប្អូន
Okay. So in her free time at home, she likes to hang out and play with her younger sibling. Okay. ចឹងសុខភាពអូនល្អអត់
ល្អ
Okay. So she doesn't have any health problem. She is really healthy. ហើយរាល់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងនៅមួយណាគេដែរ
នៅមួយយាយនិងអ៊ី
ហើយនឹងបងប្អូន
និងបងប្អូន
ម៉ាក់អ្នក
2នាក់ហើយនិងប្អូនមួយទៀត
Okay. So she currently lives with her aunt and her grandma and 2 other siblings. So she has 6 siblings in total, but only 3 of them lives here in Poipat, and the other 3 lives with her parents. Her parents lives in near Laos border. She lives in Stang Trang province, which is really far away from here. Okay, ចឹងបន្តមកទៀតអូនធំឡើងចង់ធ្វើអីគេដែរ
ធំឡើងចង់ធ្វើសាឡានធ្វើជាអ្នកស្កក់សក់ធ្វើជាអ្នកកាត់កញ្ចក់ដៃលាបពណ៌ថ្នាំកញ្ចក់ដៃ
Okay, so in the future, she wants to work in salon and beauty care and that kind of stuff. Okay, so ចុងក្រោយអូនមានអីចង់និយាយអីក៏បានដែរសាច់ចិត្ត
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមិត្តភក្តិជិតស្និទ្ធម្នាក់ឈ្មោះហាសារ៉ាហើយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តប្អូនខ្ញុំឈ្មោះហាចិនណាអាយុ5ឆ្នាំគាត់នៅជាមួយម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំ
Okay, so she has a best friend. She really likes her. Her best friend's name is Sarah, which studies in grade 2 with her, and she also loves her younger sibling. Her name is Jana, which lives with her parents. Okay, I
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye and God bless you.
Bye bye